Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngakhohle ukuthi subscribe, like video, share ke. Yeah. Sisakhuluma ke ngokudlula emhlabeni kwalowo inkosikazi ka DJ Fresh uThabiso Sikwane, you guys. Sibonile ke lapha kune video yaposta ke ngo DJ Fresh echaza ukuthi ngabe kwenzekeni ngomama wengane zakhe into kanjalo, you guys. So but uthena ke it could have been a cardiac event, something like that. Mina ngathi yazini le cardiac event ukhona umunye bechaza wathi ngesintu uzozokuthaya umuntu nje uyiwalala wangavuki wathula nje, which means that is a cardiac event. So yeah, I mean, you guys engathi umoya wakho ungaphumula. You guys uThabiso Sikwane uyawadlula emhlabeni eneminyaka u50, and mangithi ngiyabheka lapha kuthiwa bezo celebrate ke her 50th birthday kwase kuyamfica ukufa into ekanjalo, you guys. So yeah, man, but it could have been a cardiac event yona ke ekhoze ke ukushona kwakhe. Kwazi kwabuhlungu ukuthi abe kuzoba ne birthday celebration lapha eminyaka yakhe u50 wadlula ke inkosi yami ingakayenzwa nokwenziwa leyo party. Ngathi bathi bizokwenziwa lelo langa omhlambe emalangeni into ekanjalo, you guys. She was meant to host her 50th birthday celebration at a secret location with close friends and family when broadcaster and mom uThabiso Sikwane suddenly passed away yesterday morning. Tributes have been pouring for the Sikwane and Matladi families after they confirmed the sudden passing of DJ Fresh's ex-wife. DJ Fresh has come to explain that the nature of Thabiso's death was unforeseen and unclear. Siyabona baposta laphana lokungani bekuzoba i-birthday celebration yakhe, baby girl Thabiso celebration. Give thanks to the Lord for he is good, his love and endures forever. Kwane verse laphana, you guys, ibizoba khona August 31. Shuthi ke ngelanga shone ngalo, you guys, 31 is ka August. Bekuzoba naleyo party ke. Wavele wadlula ke emhlabeni. Kwazi kwakubi bafethu, kwazi kwakubi. Just imagine you die on your birthday celebration day. Barely a few hours after he dropped an episode of his podcast, Wow What a Week, featuring his ex-wife as a guest, she passed away. DJ Fresh wanted to clear the air to avoid rumors and disinformation. He said she passed around 6 a.m. on a Saturday. Ngilanga le party yakhe lelo langa ngeSaturday waseyadlula. We are told it could have been a cardiac event, but that would have caused it has not been ascertained, so we await for a post-mortem that will give everyone clarity. This doesn't make sense to anyone, and how it could just happen out of the blue. Like, it doesn't make sense, man, you guys. Like, really? He said after their firstborn son, DJ YPF, advised he continued working despite mourning. He said, I hope you will honor your bookings because that is what mom would want, just like she did when our 15-year-old Wandi was born. Wandi arrived at TED early and I had a booking in Durban, he said. According to DJ Fresh, Thabiso advised him to honor his booking. Details on the memorial service and funeral service will be shared. Ngosuku lokuzalwa kwengane yabo le na 15 wayene booking laphana ngase-Durban wasesithi uThabiso ke please honor your booking, nevertheless ukuthi ingane yabo beyizalwa lelo langa, something like that. So ke their son, something like that, because was gonna have a booking. I think he said, I hope you will honor your bookings because that is what mom would want, because that's what she said on the day when their 15-year-old was born. So yeah, man, you guys, this cardiac event ukukhulunywa ngayo ke unkosi yami ngisakwazi wavele washona ngosuku ke lwe-birthday celebration yakhe kwaze ngokunye ke, you guys. Yeah, man, udlulile emhlabeni uThabiso Sikwane as I did a video, you guys, ngoba uye wadlula nomama ke Jessica Mbangeni as I did the video, you guys. Bonke badlule bena 50 ngalelo langa ke lelo kungani. So yeah, man, it's so sad. It's so sad, you guys. Kune video ke ka DJ Fresh is either ngifake ekuqaleni or noma ekugcineni ke laphana bechaza khona ke ngalokhu kufa. Yo, may he so rest in peace, you guys. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubuke video. Subscribe, like, share, and sizobonana kwelandela. Bye.
Dumelang. I'm not going to do or make a somber video because that's not what Thabiso would expect of me or anyone else, actually. And this video is purely out of necessity because of the wild times we live in with disinformation and fake news and all the wild stuff that gets posted out there. We did lose Thabiso this morning, I think around 6:30. We are told it could have been a cardiac event, but what would have caused it, it hasn't been ascertained. So we await a post-mortem that will give everyone clarity, because it doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to anyone how this would happen out of the blue. And yeah, we'll keep you updated on memorial and funeral plans. And as our firstborn son, YBF, said, Dad, I hope you're gonna honor your gig bookings, because that's what Mom would want. That's what Mom would want. Just like she did when Wandi was born. Wandi is a 15-year-old. Wandi arrived a tad early, and I had a booking in Durban. And I remember being busy trying to cancel that booking. I was busy with my office trying to cancel that booking. And in between delivery, she's like, when this baby pops, if this baby pops today, you will honor your booking. So YBF is on some, just make sure you honor Ma, make sure you represent, but please don't cancel the bookings. Still in two minds about it. So yeah, but yeah, she is gone.